Queen, but then we realized it sings over 4 octaves, so we've decided instead to sing.
But it is about a flower and a bee coming onto the flower, and it's a song about that. We will try to do our best. Thank you.
Right.